Anyway, guys, this is Samana Pizza. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Monday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. And without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. We all know that Promise Makonyane, she's getting a divorce. Guys, we saw the email she sent to Mr. Lawrence Makonyane telling him to say, when get your liars ready, we are getting divorced. Mr. Makonyane also on TikTok comment section, he's busy responding, telling people, well, she has left me and her, we are no longer together. I'm not her husband anymore, guys. So yesterday, Madam Speaker, for those who don't know, Madam Speaker, she's a divorced woman, guys. She went live on her YouTube channel. She was talking about Promise Makonyane and her husband. There's something that Madam Speaker mentioned when she went to interview by Promise Makonyane. For those who don't know, Promise Makonyane, she has a podcast narrated by Promise Makonyane. It's a successful podcast. She's doing so well, I'm not gonna lie. So she said she felt the judge. Remember, she went there as a divorced woman, and Promise Makonyane, she was happily married, so she felt uncomfortable, she felt like as if this person is not listening to what I'm trying to say, as if I did something for my marriage to end, when you are being judged, when you're being judged, right? So today Osim's right, she's also a divorced woman. She has a YouTube channel. She was making a video about Promise Makonyane, and she also mentioned something, guys. She said when she was interviewed by Promise Makonyane, she felt judged, guys. She was not comfortable. She's not gonna come here and lie, and I doubt these two women, they will lie, guys. They went there to do the interview. They were divorced women. They were talking to a married woman, not just married women. A married woman who always talk about her husband this, my husband that. So very it was going to be difficult for her to understand their situation. So I saw another TikToker, Queen Lee. Queen Lee was like, she's happy Promise Makonyane, she's getting a divorce because their marriage was not perfect. Promise Makonyane was pretending to live a happily married, knowing very well that every day she's crying. So Queen Lee, she's busy celebrating. So guys, Promise once said the man that you marry versus the man that you divorce, it's a different. So I saw this lady on the video Osim's right she has made about Promise Makonyane and Owami. This lady was saying all the ladies who were interviewed by Promise Makonyane, the divorcee, the baby mama, the side chick. There was this lady, she's a YouTuber, she's a mother of two. She was talking about her baby daddy experience, and she was judging also, guys. I think Promise Makonyane, she has learned her lesson. If you go to her videos right now on TikTok, she's a different person, But yeah, man, it's very hard, honestly speaking. She's going through a lot. She might pretend she's okay, I doubt she'll ever come and apologize because she has done a lot. Some are saying since she's apologized to Lerato Kganyago, she might as well apologize to Owami, guys. But if there's one thing about Owami, she's not forgive and forget. Owami, if you go lower, I go to hell. So guys, tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? So these two women had a horrible experience with Promise Makonyane. I mean, I doubt they will lie. I mean, there's no way Osim Right can do a video and lie about Promise Makonyane and then Madam Speaker say the same thing. They have nothing to lose. They don't care. They have their own money. They are not even that close with Owami, guys. The Osim's Right, she's best friend with Devotee. Madam Speaker, she has their own friends. Yes, they know Owami, but I don't think they will come here and stand with the Owami, guys. There's no way, guys. The way Osim's Right, she was talking on a video, you can tell she was very neutral. She was just explaining what she went through, when she was interviewed by Promise Makonyane, and Mary Speak was also explaining the situation. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment.